Introducing a smart and versatile 3-phase low-voltage solution, TriP2-LB-3P 5 to 20 kilowatts. Built for outdoor installations, our system includes a robust 3-phase inverter, seamlessly connected to P-Shield Max. All-voltage battery compatibility means safer installation and greater peace of mind. Fully compatible with both 48 volts and 51.2 volts battery systems. Choose from lithium-ion or lead-acid batteries to fit your needs. Indoors or outdoors, our solution fits any environment, any lifestyle. With IP66 design P-Shield Max IP65 and corrosion protection, it's built for the outdoors. With 3 MPPTs and support for up to 3 strings, your rooftop solar array can deliver up to 30 kilowatts of power. Whether day or night, this system powers your entire home, efficiently and reliably. Each phase supports 100% power output, ensuring balanced or unbalanced loads are never a problem. Independent export control on each phase, no backfeed, full grid compliance with zero export through CT monitoring. Whether on grid or off-grid, switch seamlessly with no interruption. Dedicated multi-function port for generator, smart load AC coupling, built for real energy freedom. Parallel up to 10 units. Scale your energy system as your demand grows. AI-powered monitoring forecasts weather, optimizes time of use schedules, and lowers your energy costs automatically. Certified for grid compliance, safe and reliable grid integration. From connection to control, your complete energy solution, TriP2-LB-3P 5 to 20 kilowatts. Empowering your 3-phase energy journey with reliability, intelligence, and flexibility.